Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alma. Why I look funny? Wait, hold on. It must just be too much light for this camera, but that don't make no sense.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you.
Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alma. If you like law lifestyle and getting a little passport stamp, this is the channel for you. Y'all, today I am traveling. I got to get to the airport in like 20 minutes, so I'm leaving the house very soon. But anyway, it's Friday. It's April 25th. I just got done filming a video because y'all, we staying consistent all year. So we hit our Q1 goal. We posted it every Monday from January to March. So we gotta do the same thing from April to June. So I had to get this video filmed for y'all so y'all I almost shot my camera. Although I'm traveling, I still had to get this video out for y'all. So it probably will be up before this vlog. So it'll be in the iCards up above. It was like a bar advice video. I got to go. Let me clean up my filming station so I can head to the airport and we can continue this vlog. I haven't told you where in Texas I'm going, because when I tell y'all, y'all might be like, I'm not going there. So we gonna do all the fun stuff and then y'all gonna see where I was at. Okay, probably will be in the title, but who knows what future Alma's gonna do. But anyway, let me catch y'all. And y'all, I was able to redo my hair and I was also able to get my toes done since the last time I seen y'all. But anyway, bye y'all, gotta go. Hey y'all, so I made it to the airport. I'm just sitting down, y'all. I went through 3 checks, so it was a breeze. Thank goodness I didn't bring a bag, y'all, because the line for the bags for Southwest is ridiculous. I didn't even capture everyone standing there because the people behind me were like blocking, so I couldn't like do a proper view. But I'll include the clip I took on my phone. It was so many heads, it was crazy. My mom was like, why aren't you taking a big bag? And I was like, nah, it's just like a quick trip. Like, I just want to be light. Thank goodness, because I wouldn't have made this flight. All right, y'all, I made it to El Paso. I'm at their airport. I literally just left my gate and I had to pull over and do a little pit stop because something was buzzing in my bag. I just adjusted the lighting. I was like, what is buzzing? What is buzzing? Yo, why was my toothbrush buzzing? Because I have an electric toothbrush. But anyway, I'm about to use the bathroom real quick because Shara's on her way to come get me. Can't wait to see my sister. I literally have not seen her since my birthday in Belize. So if you've not seen that vlog, y'all know where to go. In the iCards in the description box down below. So guess who picked me up from the airport? We've been together for some time. We went out to eat. We went to go get lunch. Then we crossed the border to New Mexico.
We had some tacos.
You feel me? Some Mars, some half-empty Mars.
Me and my amigo.
Yeah, amiga.
Me and my amiga had a taco.
Period. And now we're headed to Chris's new home.
Period. Show them the mountain.
Oh, yes.
Mountain view.
Scenery.
We live by the rich people in the mountain.
Nah, this is pretty.
Oh, we gonna have to take you on a scenic drive tomorrow.
Oh yes, take me.
It's like a scenic drive, like through the mountain.
Yeah, I need to see that. All of that.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Couldn't feel like I was strong, but I'm never
Paso is the next day. Chris is right here.
Amazing.
What did we do yesterday?
We went to Riverbend Hot Springs, Truth or Consequences, New Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
And we had a soak.
And what couldn't we do while we were there?
We couldn't talk. It was hard. It was a whisper-only zone.
And we couldn't even whisper because, like, I guess the whispers were loud. But we were really whispering. We couldn't hear each other. So for the last, like, 30, 20 minutes, we just sat in silence.
Yeah, like, we felt like we were going to be penalized.
Yes.
It was extremely hard.
It really was. And the people next to us were loud, too.
But other than that, I would say, it was a good vibe. It was a good vibe.
No, I agree. What are the plans for today?
So today we are going to go to the mountains. We're going to see some sites, some historical pyramids.
Mm-hmm.
We may see some sand dunes.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to check out the ATV, see what that's looking like. We may or may not go that route. Then we're going to come home, woosah, relax, dinner, and maybe some TV.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can fit in some TV. We have some shows to watch.
We have some shows to catch up on. But yes, that is the update. Okay, y'all. So we're at, hold on. Let me get my friend in there. We're at a restaurant, a Mediterranean restaurant, about to pick up a little lunch.
We're headed to the mountains, but we started to feel a little famished.
Wait.
So we have to handle that.
Yes, but we're in this really cute restaurant. It's so pretty. We should have, next time when I come here, we'll come sit and eat. Because it's really pretty.
We should have saved it for after, before the game tomorrow.
Yeah, but we ain't know. Wait, is that where we're going? Is that where we're going for dinner? Isn't that the name of the restaurant?
Barrio Luna.
Yeah, isn't that what it was?
Yeah.
Well, look, it might look like we've been in the same area again.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just waiting for our food. They said 5 minutes a couple minutes ago, so it should be almost done.
2 more minutes.
Yeah, hopefully. And hopefully it's good.
I'm starving.
Really? I'm so hungry I can eat a damn dog. Have you seen it?
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog. Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog. Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog. Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
I'm so hungry I can eat damn kid.
I'm so hungry right now I can eat a kid.
What eat me?
I'm so hungry, I could eat a kid.
Do I look like food?
I'm so hungry, I could eat a kid right now.
No.
I'm so hungry right now, I can eat a kid.
What you say?
I'm so hungry right now, I can eat a kid.
Kids meal?
No, I can eat a kid.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
I'm so damn hungry, I can eat a kid.
Change of plans. We're at the zoo, the El Paso Zoo.
Yeah. Better when you mad me. Yeah. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap.
Has he ever been bit before? No, but I have been bitten by numerous amount of snakes. Honestly, I'd rather get bitten by this guy.
I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validations.
So we finished bowling. Oh wait, we didn't go bowling.
Hiking?
No, we didn't go hiking. We went to the zoo. The zoo was cool. And now we're meeting up with Britt for dinner. Ooh.
Yay.
I twisted it the wrong way. Hold on. I'm trying to get it to show you. Alright. Anything you want to say?
I'm just, excited to eat. Like,
Yeah, hopefully the food is good. When we had lunch at, the food was so good.
it was.
Yeah, I need to come back for that. Alright, that's all we had to say.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time. Get that good till we act right.
So yeah, I'm at my first baseball game. Look who brought me to my first baseball game. What's going on, Christina? What's happening in this game?
Yeah, so we are in the 5th quarter, and there have been 7 runs.
Wait, but there can't be 5 quarters.
But that's a 5.
I don't know what that means.
The 5th inning.
Oh, I think that's what it is. That's what it is. That's what it is.
5th inning.
Yeah.
They call it innings in baseball.
Yeah.
And our team is losing.
Are we? Where's the score?
Because the first inning they have 1, we have 1, but the 3rd inning they had 3.
Yeah. We went to lunch. We got some tacos. How was your tacos, Chris?
My taco was pretty good. The little shop was better.
How was your drink?
My drink was pretty good, but it was no alcohol.
And it was really big too.
A lot of juice.
Yeah, a lot of liquid.
You like juice and liquid? That's the drink for you.
Yeah.
I've been making moves and they hard to tell. Acting, yeah, I did it, I don't kiss and tell. Any hating, I'ma wish him well. Got it out the mud, but I never dwelled up. If she ran away, I don't want her back. Only calling one time and no phone tags. Try to waste my time, it's a rap. Shawty moving like a clown and a maniac. Where my at? Where my at? I think she tryna take me home, then I finna pack. I let Shawty do the chief and I just need a glass. I'm just tryna keep a balance like my zodiac. All the old friends, turn to new friends. But they wasn't day one tryna sneak in. But they wasn't day one tryna creep in. But they wasn't day one tryna sneak in. All the old friends, turn to new friends. But they wasn't day one tryna sneak in. But they wasn't day one tryna creep in. But they wasn't day one tryna sneak in. J1 for me. I need Benji, man, ain't enough for me. I don't need no new friends, got enough for them. They be tryna settle in, but I'm tough on them. I can see the moves cause they be sneaking. I don't answer calls when I'm in a meeting. Please don't hit my line when you feeling needy.
This gonna be my last hurrah in El Paso because I'm about to go to the airport after. Chris, please. She's so dramatic, my goodness. But I'll be back. Y'all, so I just landed in Houston. My gate was like 46 and I have to make it to gate 2. Look at what I saw on my walk. Y'all see that? Ghana dancers. When I tell y'all I see Ghana everywhere I go, I'm literally so serious.